Qualifying new carriers into our system is a disjointed, cumbersome process. Faxing forms back and forth with carriers? Those take forever. And when those documents get returned to carrier resources, they're a sloppy mess. Meanwhile, you're waiting around and wondering what's up with your new truck. You've got loads to put on that truck. It's so slow and confusing. There's got to be a better way. Well, now there is. Welcome, brokers, to the new ALC Truckyard, a faster, easier way to process new carrier applications. This video will walk you through what you need to know and demonstrate the advantages of using the Truckyard to get new trucks set up fast. The new process allows carriers to hop from the AllenLund.com website to the new online application and completely fill out and digitally sign the entire setup packet quickly and easily. And once they do, that carrier receives a copy of the completed packet via email. And if they choose your office within the application, your office gets an email notification as well, telling you a new carrier has completed that application. As you will see, this becomes very helpful when you need to fast-track a truck setup. And that's where the ALC Truckyard comes in. This is the ALC Truckyard. Every new carrier application completed via the website will appear in the Truckyard's in-progress area and have full visibility by the Carrier Resources Department and by every office. The top of the screen has several ways to search for or filter carriers. You can search for MC number, DOT, name, or use the drop-down menu to filter your office or by your own Carrier Resources representative. As a broker, you can clearly see where any new applicant is in the approval process by the green or red dots right here. They start out red and become green as each necessary step is completed. A green W, for instance, means that a carrier rep has begun working on the setup. A green T indicates that the data has been successfully entered into our database and a new T number has been generated and assigned to that carrier. A green I means that insurance has been verified. And the R column stands for references, and those still fall to you brokers to do your due diligence on verifying at least 2 references. Once you pinpoint the carrier you're looking for, click on it to reveal the details needed to complete the setup. The first thing you may notice when viewing the details screen is the ability to prioritize and fast-track that particular carrier setup. So by clicking the "This Setup is Important to Me" button, your name is attached to that setup and you simultaneously move to the top grouping of prioritized setups, and it tells Carrier Resources to expect your references soon. This is the fastest way to get a carrier cleared for loading. General setups will be less priority, as will other setups done through the traditional processing methods. So Truckyard is fastest. So looking at this example of Trucks R Us, I can see that Carrier Resources has begun working on the setup, has entered the data and generated a T number, and verified insurance. This setup is waiting for me now to perform the reference check. And to do so, I click on the View Reference Form button, which offers me everything I need to check off references, make any necessary notes, answer the required questions, and finally verify. At this point, Carrier Resources can release the truck into the completed section, where it will remain for a week before expiring out of the Truckyard. Remember, the Truckyard is just a temporary depot for setups. Once completed, the trucks are now found in ALEX. Once the setup is completed, the carrier is immediately notified via a welcoming email containing their T number and instructions on how to log into the website, which they can do immediately. Your office is also notified upon completion of any carrier who selected your office within their application. So no more guessing if your carrier completed the forms, no more bothering Carrier Resources for status throughout the process. You now have full visibility and notifications all along the way. We encourage you to urge your carriers to use this method as often as possible. It will be the fastest way to get a truck qualified. Again, the fastest way to get a truck qualified. It's easiest for the carrier, it cuts down significantly the turnaround time for Carrier Resources, and it gives you full visibility into the progress. So use it, and thanks for watching.